Hey there, this video right here is just part of the complete comparison. So should you ever feel like watching the whole thing, it's waiting for you in the top right hand corner. Just wanted to let you know. Now, as far as distortion is concerned, with neither of those lenses are you gonna get around a typical super wide angle look of your face when you're close to one of these lenses, it being at its wide end. This is what you're getting from the 10-18 at a 10mm wide end at close proximity. And this is what you're getting at 18mm. Less distortion, but it's still there. Do you have to care for that? Not really, because no one has the direct comparison to a completely undistorted image anyway. Just letting you know, you're not getting one. Same test, 11-22, currently at the 11mm wide end and at close proximity. Same kind of distortion as we saw with the 10-18. At 22mm, basically the same result as with the 10-18, maybe slightly better. Then again, you're gonna get away with it anyway because no one has the direct comparison to a completely undistorted image. So, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching and hopefully see you again soon.